Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance 990 V2 SALEHE Bembury. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown at our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at SALEHE Bembury's collaboration with New Balance. And we got the 990 V2. We got this in the Sand Be The Time colorway, and we got this in the UK size 7.5. It's a US 8. That's European 41.5. So for those that don't know, SALEHE Bembury is probably one of my favorite designers at the game in the moment. And again, he's a footwear designer. He used to work with Versace, Yeezy brand, and you must have seen his collaborations with Crocs. And he's done more lines with New Balance. So we have done the Yurt 574s and we've done some Pollux. So do check those reviews out if you want to see some more SALEHE Bembury content. And SALEHE, if you're watching, we know that you are. Feel free to throw your boys some pairs of New Balances. Heck, you know, we like that Montclair as well. That'd be really cool. Again, so this is a bit late if you're wondering why. It's because I had to buy these on resale. I've really loved this pair, and you know what, let's just get unboxing so I can show you what it is. So I did get these from eBay. I'm a big fan of eBay's reselling platform. I mean, who doesn't know what eBay is? And what they do now is, as soon as you purchase something from a buyer, it gets sent to an authentication center to be authenticated. I think I said that right, and here it is. And it's got a little tag here to say that it has been authenticated, verified even. It's a verified sneaker. And for those wondering why it's called Sand Be The Time, it is because it's a reflection on the desert sand colorway when it hits that beautiful tone. And you can see it on the box artwork. And what I love about the box artwork and a lot of SALEHE's collabs is, especially with New Balance, is that it has kind of a storytelling storyboard, mood board, whatever you want to say. Well, it's not really a mood board, but it's like a storyboard on the box. So you can see it here, it's on the desert when it hits that perfect golden hour, and it looks like the sand is pink. So here it is in that dusk, so hence why you've got that pink. You've got some bits of orange and purple. Looking at the sneaker, it's just really dope. I'm a big fan of hairy suede, and we're getting more to that details a bit too early, but we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You've got the Absorb logo right there at the front, and you've got New Balance at the back, at the heel there, and you've got the N right there. Looking at the midsole unit, so as mentioned, what we saw from the outsole, this midsole has that Absorb foam. It's used in a lot of New Balance sneakers, especially the 990. So the 990 made in America, which this is a part of, is made in Boston, the main factory in the US. And if you look at it, here you've got bits of that plating there also, the Absorb logo there also, just stays to help stabilize. And the upper is where we see all this beautiful details, and if we start with the hairy suede, that makes the majority of the sneaker. It's in this pink, so go around. You got these kind of wide open soled mesh. If you look at the toe box, again, it's in the pink, and you got hits of purple as well. Usually, so if you were to look at the 990s, they have bits of 3M, and you can kind of see that in it's in the paneling here where it's a bit silver. Looking at the lateral side, you got the SALEHE Bembury little tag right there, New Balance, and it's like this wool right there also, the N, and it's on the medial side also. At the back, so SALEHE Bembury is known for using an amalgamation, like a mashup of his fingerprint and his thumb. So you can see it in a lot of his shoes. Here you can see at the heel, where you would usually say made in the USA, it's right there. And looking at the tongue, so you get flat laces. It comes with the default pink, and you get a choice between that and I'll show you here, orange and this off-white. So if you look at the tongue, also it says 990 New Balance, made in the USA, right there for you. And in the insole, it's a cork insole with the SALEHE Bembury logo also. Really happy with this purchase. Again, I can't sing enough praises about SALEHE Bembury. One of my favorite designers at the minute. And this is what he's done with New Balance. I'm still looking out for a pair of the Waterbeat the Guide. Those are the 2002 R's. So if anyone is selling a pair on the resale market, secondary market, or wants to help the boy, UK 7.5 please. But yeah, I'm really happy to purchase these. The 990 V2 is probably one of the most iconic silhouettes of the 990. How the 990 from New Balance is probably one of the greatest sneakers ever made. Hold me to that. Challenge me, fight me in the comment section below. Like, I'd love to get your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this collab. Are you a big fan of SALEHE Bembury? Do you like New Balance 990s also? So let us know in the comment section below. And right now, we're just gonna throw that footage of me trying these on. So roll that footage of me wearing these. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size New Balance fit. When it comes to New Balance sneakers, I typically am a UK 7.5, and these fit perfectly. Oh, they look so good. I'm a big fan. Again, I keep saying it in a lot of the SALEHE Bembury videos. Love the work, man. You're SALEHE if you're watching it, and we know that you are. Sorry I pronounced your name wrong just then. But if you want to, hook the boys up with some Crocs, some New Balance, we're here for it. But no, these are one of my favorite sneakers. I was happy to pay the resale price, and do use eBay as an alternative to other reselling companies out there. Again, just want to mention how great these sneakers look on, and they feel great. It's really comfortable also. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.